Habit number 5. This one I find very interesting. It's something that I was not good at that is finally, luckily, a habit of mine. And I find it interesting because it's something that almost all the women that I talk to either do or used to do, whether they are club members or just friends, even family members. We don't ask for help. We don't ask for help when we need help. So I have a really good habit now of asking for help, and when I don't get the help, I demand the help. Y'all, life is so much easier when you get help with stuff. So I don't know if it's a generational thing, if it's just a message that we got from the media, from television, from our mothers, about you should do it all yourself. You should be able to do this. You should be able to do all the things. It's the message that we were hearing. And again, I don't know where it came from. You know, we're mamas, we're sisters, we are children ourselves, so we take care of our parents, we take care of our children, we take care of our husbands, we have jobs outside of all of this stuff, volunteering, all the things. There's lots of things that we take care of, and it's good to get help. I have figured out that when I get help, and if I don't get the help, I say, hey, help, I need help now. Life is so much easier, and I can do it in a really nice, kind way too. I don't have to beg or scream for help, and if it gets to the point where I'm like, okay, I'm not getting the help, I refuse to beg or scream. I will pay somebody to do something for me. I will pick up the phone and I will call a friend and say, can you please help me? And I will get the help that I need. And I kind of giggle a little when I think about how it used to be, like where I used to be. I don't know why, but I never asked my husband for help until it got to the point where I was so frustrated. But I mean, I set myself up for that kind of failure because it was just a precedence that I set for myself, for my husband, because I don't know where this came from. Again, maybe it came from influence of my mama, but I just wanted to be a strong, independent woman. And I just assumed that my husband was fine with that. So he never had to be chivalrous and help me do things because I didn't require it from him. And I kind of almost made him think that I didn't like it. I was like 8 months pregnant and still pushing the lawnmower and doing the weed eater and doing all the physical stuff. And I would think in my head like, oh my God, why is my husband not helping me? Why is he not pushing the lawnmower? Why am I out here pushing the lawnmower? Because I didn't tell him I wanted help. So, again, I laugh just because of the cute, naive, beautiful, silly little girl I used to be. I don't know. Now I know that I need help. And you know what? I'm referring to my husband a lot, but other people can give you help. But my husband likes to give me help. Our husbands want to help us. They actually really enjoy that. It's just most men want to help their wives. They want to help their daughters, So, and my dad was always very helpful. So I don't know where I got this from. I don't know where that message came from that I should be able to do all the things. And because I wasn't really raised that way, I don't think. I don't know. Who knows? Anyway, and I took pride in being able to do all the things, but in reality, it was hard. So if you need help with the organizing, you need help with the decluttering, if you need help with just basic taking care of the kids and household daily stuff, if you need help at work, ask for help. Just make it a habit. Just make it normal to ask for help, and knowing that it doesn't mean that you're weak. You're actually much more strong if you know how to ask for help. And demand the help if you don't get it when you ask nicely the first few times. Okay, that I think is giving yourself so much love and pouring love into your home is when you ask for help and things just become a lot easier. And instead of having a big long task list, a big long to-do list, you can start marking some things off and creating a fabulous to-do list for yourself. Things that you can get done easily because you've got help. So, all right. Enjoy loving your home and getting the help that you deserve.